Hi guys, uh, good morning everyone. Come back with Era. Now I will going to my home. You can look at behind me. This is my motorbike, motorcycle, and yeah, I will go to my home. Maybe this weather will be so sunny. Maybe I hope this is the weather not too overcast, because yeah, I wanna go to the beach with my friend, and yeah, maybe we will go. I don't know guys, because my friend don't yet reply my chat. And maybe, oh yeah guys, my friend, another friend, I'm so fall asleep guys. Oh yeah, another friends can go to the beach because the lecturer invite him, oh, ask him for go to campus. Yeah, I don't know guys what the reason. And yeah, so maybe can't going to campus, can't go to the beach. I don't know guys. Oh yeah guys, now I'm just arrived at my home. And yeah, now like actually like every day before I will washing the plate, and I also washing my clothes. This is so important for me. And yeah guys, I will continue my video after I washing the clothes and washing the plate guys. Bye bye. Hi guys, I will continue my video, and was late, but it's okay guys, because I just have a cooking. I just was the washing the plate. And now I will washing my motorcycle. Oh yeah guys, I also wanna uh to wash washing my clothes because yesterday I forget to washing my clothes. Oh my god, maybe my this is my soap. This is a rinse soap. Okay. Yeah, before I washing, maybe later I will washing my clothes later because now I just wanna washing my motorcycle. Yeah guys, I'm so tired. And I usually washing my motorcycle like this. This is a sunlight. This is so good guys, because if you doing like this, your motorcycle will be so glowing guys. So what is that? And now, yeah, where is, maybe I will make this ember. Huh? Mm. Aduh guys, I'm cook. Oh, so aduh, where is my soap? Soap. I forget. Where's him? Oh, this is guys. nothing water weather, guys. So now I just wanna washing my motorcycle now, because later maybe the water can stop, because yeah, all many people using this water, guys. Oh yeah, I also wanna search the trees for what is mengganjal, guys, for in the my motorbike for standard. Okay, look at this. So many gelembung-gelembung, guys. Aduh. Okay, I will washing my hand, because I will this is, guys, these trees. I just want to sleep voicing. Okay. Wait, yes, wait. Okay. Now I will siram, guys. Ini satu. I don't know. Aduh, I forget my jog motorbike, guys. Bolong. Ano lang, guys, bolong inulis. And yeah, maybe you should add here or like this. Oh yeah, you can stay at here. Okay, guys. This is for me like a self reward, because I'm so like to racing my motorbike, guys. Really, guys, so like racing my motorbike. And yeah, you know guys, my motorbike is so dirty. And okay guys, maybe that's all my video today in this morning. And thank you for your watching my video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my video guys, because if you're doing like this you can support me. But bye bye.